So there's nothing else that is unique about this government. Other than that, what is unique about this government is the jamboree, the squandering of Rivers funds by the governor of the state. Every week, I'm sure you know that they have made plans for a jamboree in the gap of Thanksgiving service for the 23 LGAs of Rivers State and the 319 wards of Rivers State. And the question to ask, what is the Thanksgiving about? Who are you thanking? For what? So by the point we're making here is that the governor is already in breach. We're hearing that there is an intention to set up an illegal structure in the local government. At one breath, they say the heads of local government will take over. At the other breath, they will say caretaker. But I think that he may know that the caretaker team may not work because they will be screened by the assembly. So we hear that he wants to raise up the head of local government and make them chairmen of councils. That is against the law. I don't want to talk about the fact that it is, I think it is in the 6th, in the resolution that resolution of Mr. President proclamation. But mistakenly, we have told them that we are ready for election anytime, any day. But the governor is in breach of the constitution, of the laws of the state. And we are here to condemn it. We are here to demand that the governor follows the law, organizes an election for local government, and that we will condemn and we will not accept any other nomenclature as in the leadership of the local government in Rivers State. Those fifth columnists are pushing the governor not to obey Mr. President. In the 10 commandments, we hear that if you obey 9 and you refuse to obey 1, you have what? You have sinned, you have failed all. 8 issues contained in the President's proclamation. You have chosen and attempted 6. The other 2 you refuse. And when we say you refused, or the President, that these 2 are lawful, even the ones that are not, you obeyed. Election is a lawful, is a constitutional thing. Look, a local government election is constitutional. Presentation of budget is constitutional. How does these 2 hurt him? So it means that for the governor to refuse to call a SEC meeting, he's ruling the state by his own whims and caprices. The state has become a one-man state. He is now a totalitarian. He is now a despot. And you want us as a party to sit down and watch that. How? The governor is not in sync with the legislative arm, the House of Assembly, made up because they are members of APC. He's refusing to work with them. 27 out of 31. In fact, 30, because one I hear was resigned. We lost one to death. We have 32 states. So 27 over 30, because he refuses to work with them because they are members of the All Progressive Congress. And you think that as chairman of the party, I will sit down and be comfortable. That the governor sits on my nose, I want to be comfortable. And refusing to work with members of my political party who are in majority in the State House of Assembly. The answer will be no. But the governor has no right to sit in the comfort of his house without the practitioners of that tier, the local government chairman, and you decide for them what they will do. And just as they are even beginning to think of what will happen, the allocation that came not from state to the government of Rivers State, or the governor of Rivers State, like I said to you, I've been in cabinet, the state owes local governments 10% of internally generated revenue every month from what they generate. They're supposed to share 10% of that to the 23 local government areas. That's not the one I'm talking about. I'm talking about the one that came from center, from Abuja to Rivers State. The governor is withholding. I'm sure that you are aware that very soon local government workers will take to the streets because they have not been paid. And it's compelling local government chairmen to do things that are illegal. And I don't understand it, that money that is my own, you will seize it and begin to give me condition. So, in other words, he does not have SEC. He does not have the assembly working with him. He doesn't want to work with the assembly at all. He does not have local government. That's what it is. Because even the local government people, the chairman, are members of his own political party. They are not APC members.
Also, with respect to, can you